Hello everyone and welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into the world of gaming headsets with the Sony Inzone H5.
This mid-range beauty promises exceptional audio quality and a crystal clear microphone. But does it deliver?
Let's find out. First things first, let's talk design.
The Sony Inzone H5 sports a sleek, curved aesthetic that's both stylish and practical.
The white or black color options give it a modern look that's sure to complement any gaming setup. Plus, the sturdy build quality means it can handle those intense gaming sessions without breaking a sweat.
But what good is a gaming headset if it's not comfortable? Thankfully, the Sony Inzone H5 doesn't disappoint in this department.
The plush ear pads and head cushion provide a level of comfort that's perfect for long gaming sessions.
However, some users might find the cushioning a bit irritating after extended use.
Now let's talk features.
The Sony Inzone H5 comes packed with everything you need for an immersive gaming experience. From the onboard microphone to the game-to-chat audio balancing switches, this headset has it all.
Plus, with both USB-C and 3.5mm jack ports, you have the flexibility to use it wired or wirelessly.
But enough about looks and features, let's get to the real meat of the matter: audio quality. And boy, does the Sony Inzone H5 deliver! Whether you're playing on PS5 or PC, this headset offers exceptional sound quality that's sure to take your gaming experience to the next level. From the thunderous bass to the crisp highs, every detail is crystal clear.
And let's not forget about the microphone.
The Sony Inzone H5 boasts a built-in mic that's as impressive as they come.
Whether you're chatting with friends or coordinating with teammates, your voice will come through loud and clear. Plus, with its flexibility and sturdiness, you can position it exactly where you need it for maximum clarity. Now, let's talk battery life. One of the standout features of the Sony Inzone H5 is its impressive battery life. With up to 25 to 28 hours on a full charge, you can game to your heart's content without having to worry about running out of juice. Just be prepared for a relatively long charging time of around 3 to 4 hours. So, is the Sony Inzone H5 worth your hard-earned cash? Absolutely.
With its exceptional audio quality, crystal clear microphone, and impressive battery life, it's a gaming headset that punches well above its weight. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or just looking for a solid headset for casual play, the Sony Inzone H5 has you covered.
Well, that's all for today's review, folks.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy gaming!